Hi there, welcome to Easy Classes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install PlayIt app on your laptop. Yes friends, we can easily download it and install on your Windows 10 laptops. Okay, if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get new notifications. Okay, let's jump to the quick tutorial. As a first step, open any browser. So let me open the Chrome browser. In the URL section, type www.playit.app, then press enter. You can find the website URL under video description. Please check once. So once you land into the website, you will find 4 buttons to install the app on Play Store or Android or Apple or Windows. So in our case, we want to install it on our Windows 10. So hit on the For Windows button. Then hit on the download playit.exe file here. Now let me select the folder. So let me download it on my desktop, then save and start download. This is a very small software, so it will download quickly. Now you can find here I have downloaded the playit.exe file. So this is not runnable file, this is only installable file. So right click on that and select Run as Administrator. Now say Next, Next, and you can select the default installation directory. In my case, I will let it be default. Now install. Now finish to start the PlayIt app. You can see the PlayIt app is running. Let me close it. As a final step, delete the .exe file from your desktop because it is only installable file. After installation, it is no longer needed. So let me delete it. So this is the app has installed. So double click on it. Now it has opened. Let me select a file from here to play. So let me select a video to show you a demo. So that's it friends. This is how we can download and install the PlayIt app on your Windows 10 laptops. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel to support us. Well, meet in the next exciting video. Till then, bye bye.